Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Supercell ID email address, whether you're switching to a new one or just updating to an address you already use. The best part is, you can do it directly from your game. No need for any extra steps outside the app. Before you start, make sure you already have access to the new email you want to use and that it's not already linked to another Supercell ID. Once you're ready, open the game that's connected to your Supercell ID. Tap on the settings icon, then select the Supercell ID option. You'll see your account marked as connected. Now, tap the cogwheel icon to open your Supercell ID settings. In the settings menu, look for the Change Email option next to your current Supercell ID email address. Tap it, and you'll be asked if you have access to your current email. If you do, tap Yes. Supercell will send you a verification code to that email address. Enter the code, then follow the on-screen prompts to type in your new email address. Once you confirm it, you're all set. Your Supercell ID will now be linked to your new email. If you don't have access to your old email address anymore, don't worry. You'll just need to contact Supercell support through the in-game help option, and they'll guide you through verifying your ownership of the account. A quick note. If you ever run into problems receiving verification codes, it might be because your email domain isn't supported, so it's best to use popular ones like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Supercell ID. There's no limit to how many times you can do this, so you can update it whenever you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.